It's a problem for so many women. When they work out, they sneeze, laugh, or cough, they might leak. Urinary incontinence may leave you thinking you're resigned to live a life with pads forever. But at Better Life Carolinas, they're helping so many women improve their overall vaginal health. For women who suffer from urinary incontinence, there's a treatment for you. We're here to tell you about it at Better Life Carolinas with Dr. Barber. Let's talk about the Viveve treatment. First off, what is this?
Viveve treatment is used for stress urinary incontinence and vaginal laxity, vaginal dryness. It uses radio frequency waves and then cryogen cooling. So it gets very deep into the vaginal tissue to help regenerate the collagen and the support structures.
So who is a good candidate for this procedure?
Well, surprisingly, 1 out of 2 women has stress urinary incontinence. So if you look around the room, half the women in the room probably are suffering from the condition. And that means that when they jump, laugh, cough, sneeze, there can be some urinary leakage. So a lot of women have to wear pads to get through the day with that sort of thing happening. And that can be in younger women after just 1 vaginal birth delivery, or in older women who have gone through menopause. Also, many women, once they've gone through menopause or perimenopause, have some drying and some vaginal laxity, and the treatment is good for them as well.
For women who may experience decrease in sexual pleasure during intercourse, Viveve can help, correct?
Absolutely, right. So those nerves get less sensitive over time as that tissue changes with aging. And one of the things that the radio frequency does is get deep in that tissue and stimulate the blood flow and the nerves as well.
So you've kind of touched on this, Dr. Barber, but talk more about what the procedure entails and what's happening.
So unlike some more superficial treatments like laser that are only treating the kind of the outer layer, the radio frequency with the cryogen cooling allows it to go about 10 times deeper into the vaginal tissue. And so when that tissue is stimulated, what the body does is say, hey, something's upset things in here, let me call in growth factors. And those are different growth factors like vascular growth factors, nerve growth factors, collagen growth factors. So it's really regenerating that tissue kind of from the inside out.
And that is a wand that is used. I want to point it out. I think it's worth mentioning.
Sure, it's pretty tiny. This is the only part that actually enters the vagina, so it's very non-invasive in that respect. And there's no downtime. That's the beauty of it. And you come in, you get a treatment, it lasts less than an hour, and then you're back doing whatever you were doing before.
How many treatments are needed before a woman can experience some improvement?
Usually 1 treatment. It's usually 1 treatment every 12 to 15 months. Occasionally, if someone has significant or moderately severe stress urinary incontinence, we will do a 2nd treatment. But the experience has been really awesome. I mean, most women notice improvement within the first 2 weeks.
That's remarkable. What would you say to women who, suffer in silence? They think that this incontinence is just normal, a normal part of aging, or not enjoying sex as much. They think that's normal too. What would you say to those people?
That's a great question. And before we got this device, I think I underappreciated how many women just kind of said, well, this is just life. I have to wear a pad. I have this leaking. I have to worry about it. I have to urinate before I can do my jumping jacks at the gym. You do not have to do that. And also, if you're not enjoying sex as much, if you feel like things are not like they were when you were in your 20s, there are things we can do. This is a great device because it's quick. There's no downtime, and you see results quickly.
Viveve at Better Life Carolinas. Dr. Barber, you can give her a call. Thank you so much.
Thanks for coming. Appreciate it.
So visit betterlifecarolinas.com, betterlifecarolinas.com to learn more and to schedule a consultation. You can also call 843-737-2597. Again, 843-737-2597. Well, still